Weather conditions that fueled deadly wildfires in Turkey, Greece and Cyprus were made more intense by climate change, researchers have found. A rapid analysis from World Weather Attribution showed that hot, dry and windy conditions were around 22% more intense because of human-caused climate change. The findings follow data confirming that 2025 was Europe's worst wildfire year on record, with more than 1 million hectares of land burned through. Researchers warn that the risk of larger, harder-to-control fires will continue if the world persists in burning fossil fuels. Climate change has been influencing weather in the months, weeks and days leading up to the devastating fires. Turkey was among the countries hardest hit as the blazes raged, with 17 people dying in the fires, while Spain and Portugal have seen record amount of land burned. Fires have also stretched firefighting resources thin this season, despite other countries sending assistance.